Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, we are going to solve this fun little math problem. But what should we do to solve this type of question? Should we start with addition? Should we start with multiplication or division? To solve this, let's start with some common mistakes students usually do. To solve this, students usually start with this addition. They say 7 plus 7 equals 14, then 7 times 7 equals 49, and 14 divided by 49 equals 14 over 49. 14 divided by 7, 2. 49 divided by 7, 7 is going to be 2 over 7. But let me ask you a question. Is this correct? Absolutely not. So what should we do to solve this question? To solve this type of question, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operation. The order of operation can be remembered by PEMDAS, right? PEMDAS. Each letter stands for different operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Do not forget, multiplication and division have same place. Also, addition and subtraction have same place. So what should we do when we have both multiplication and division in one expression? Let me explain it with an example. For example, we have 2 divided by 2 times 2. To solve this, should we start with division, then work on multiplication, or should we start with multiplication, then we work on division? Let's do both ways. The first time, we are going to start with multiplication, then we are going to start with division and compare the result. When we start with multiplication, 2 times 2 equals 4. It's going to be 2 divided by 4 equals 1 over 2. Then what happens when you start with division? 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. Look, the answers are different, but which one of them is true? To solve this, we need to start our work from ones on the left, then continue our work to the right. So the correct answer is this one. We need to start from left one. In this case, divisions. Then we need to work on multiplication. Now let's jump to our example. In our example, we have 7 plus 7 divided by 7 times 7. So, division and multiplication, we need to start from them. But first, division or multiplication, as you know, both of them have same place. But in this case, we need to start our work from left, then continue to the right. So, first, we need to start with division. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Let's rewrite it. It's gonna be 7 plus 1 times 7. Now we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication and addition. Which one first? Absolutely multiplication. 1 times 7 is gonna be 7. So we have 7 plus 7. Now we have only one operation. 7 plus 7 equals 14. And this is the correct answer. Have fun.